Alrighty, so we've got the airbags fitted, the new dash is in, safety belts are fitted. Now we're just doing a reset of the crash data, and we're going to see if we can start the MG up for the first time. Alrighty, we got a starting engine. That is fantastic. It starts and it's running. Yeah. Okay.
Everything
Paul,
is cool. Only,
thank you.
But now,
Yeah, we can put the seats in.
yeah, let's put it
Or do you
because
want
you know
me to
what?
drive it to you and we reset it there later? No,
Probably
okay, plug it
here.
in now,
Yeah,
put the
then
seats in.
instead of coming
Because
over
I can put all of this with the
Yeah,
seats
later,
in.
yeah.
All right, perfect.
Let's put the seats and then.
So
we reset.
I'm here with Paul from ABC Airbags in Boksburg, and he's technician. They just came to reset the crash data, and the engine is starting. So that is fantastic news. Paul, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. We got the bonnet today, all the way from Cape Town. We have not unwrapped it yet. We're going to unwrap it now. See exactly what we are working with. Let's get a knife out here. Maybe this one will work. So I think it's in very decent condition. That is not too bad. That's not too bad.
Happy?
I think I'm happy. Just to transfer all the back parts from the current bonnet on here, the felt inside and the rubbers, and to make sure that everything is good. But we're going to take it to panel beaters just to spray and to clean up and just to get it refurb nicely with the same color, and then we'll get all the other bits transferred. But this is going to look so much better. Perfect. So here's the black piece that we actually don't want to break. This part will just clip on the new installation. We'll just take that off with some polish, and this looks good to go. All the clips are there. All the clips are, nothing inside is broken. That clip is perfectly fine as well. That looks good. We're going to be using that one. This light for now we can set aside somewhere else, as it's damaged over there. And the main damage on this one was basically that piece there. That whole front piece just is broken off, so we can't use that. We probably can use this mirror, but we bought a new one anyway. So let's put that in there for now. Chuck that in there. Don't want to take this off now. I wish this already came pre-color coded in the black of the vehicle. That means I need to take out this light or this mirror to be able to get this piece out. Alright, so now we are going to be in the process of installing a new indicator stalk. You can see this one has had better days when it's broken. So what it looks like we need to do, we need to remove this casing from the top one first and then the bottom. Let's get started on that. See how quickly we can get this done without breaking things. As good as new. So old one kind of broke very significantly on the ball. Not sure if we'll be able to fix this one at all. I highly doubt that. We can give it some super glue or something, but I'm not sure if that is a good idea to fix this. Probably do it with some polyurethane or. But I would probably not fix that. Yeah, new one for a reason, so we're putting that in, and that's installed. Right, so Simone is fastening the seats there, and then the new dashboard is in. Now the last thing I need to do, get the new airbag in, and that should be that. Done. A semi-broken thumb. Alright, with the final fitting done, the battery has been connected. Everything's coming on. There we go. Oh wow, we'll have a half a tank of fuel. Now it's in park. You can push it over. So that all works. Reverse. Yep, reverse works. Neutral works. There's drive. Sport 2, 1, 2, 1. Drive. Park. Reverse, neutral, all that works. And then let's see. Yes, we got startup. Lovely. That's nice. That's nice. Got something rattling. Might need to switch that off quickly just to see. It starts, lights are on, everything's looking good. Just need to finish that section of the car. Lovely. guy. Next thing. So the car is basically all assembled. I'm just gonna close the bonnet now and just see. So for now I still have the old grille. I've got a new one of these ones, so that's coming with as well. I'll show you. That's that one for the color there. This bumper is still fine, we're going to paint that. I'm getting a new bottom section and a new grille section. And then I quickly gave the bonnet a quick clean, so it is a bit scratched and so on. And I managed to get the alignment done to, like, I would say 80%. Nothing is catching here. I think these also don't look too bad. Everything is assembled, all the bolts and everything is inside here, all the clips, everything is in, all the right clips. I must put one clip in there now. I'll put that clip in now. Otherwise everything's on. Just the bottom tray is not in, and I'm just gonna need to just tighten these ones just in and drill 3 holes and just put 3 cable ties there. I'm waiting for the plastic piece that comes on here and the new grille that has these new tabs, which is this whole chrome section with this one here.